Honorable Speaker, Madam, I extend my profound grief on the sad demise of late Kanu Charan Lenkar, ex-Union Minister, late Akshay Kumar Acharya, ex-member, late Kulmani Raut, ex-member, late Sanchita Mathi, ex-member, and late Dr. Rajeshwari Panigrahi, ex-member of this august House. Late Kanucharan Lenka, ex-Union Minister, was elected to this august House 4 times from Chaudhwar Assembly constituency in 1971, 1974, 1980 and 1995. He served as Minister for various departments. He was also a member of the Rajya Sabha and ex-Union Minister of State for Agriculture and Railways.